So the good thing with the Tricaster is that you can use it with a touch screen, and you can change your input by clicking on it. In order to do that, you have to have the click on View Port to Show and Program option enabled. And now I will show you the different things you can do with the touch function. You can show the different control option on the preview by swiping on it. And swiping will show it without putting it on program. You can also show the control of the input by clicking with 2 fingers. And it works also with the outputs. If you want to do a left click, you have to do a long press. Lastly, you can use 2 fingers to swipe in the different windows. To scroll in the different windows. Another useful option is that you can show the source preset in the preview. That works with MEs, but also with PTZ camera. So now I can change my different comps presets. And one last thing is that when you select an input, it will always use the selected transition. So if you want to cut, you have to have the cut transition selected. And now I will show you how to configure 2 screens, because the Tricaster by default will only recognize 1 touch screen. And if you want to use 2 touch screens, you have to go to the setting and configure it. So I go in the admin mode. I open any control panel tab. I go to control panel, hardware and sound, calibrate the screen, setup. I touch the first screen, I click on enter. I touch the second screen, and it's done. Now the 2 screen works.